What damage does acid deposition cause to crops and infrastructure? Imagine a world where the rain you see falling from the sky is actually causing harm to the plants we relying on and the buildings we live in. That's what acid deposition, often called acid rain, can do. When sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air from burning fossil fuels, they mix with water vapor and turn into acids. These acids then fall back to the ground as rain, snow, or fog. The effects on crops and buildings are quite serious and deserve attention. For crops, acid deposition changes the soil in ways that make it hard for plants to grow. When acid rain hits the ground, it lowers the soil's pH, making it more acidic. This disrupts the balance of nutrients that plants need, like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for healthy growth, but acid rain causes them to wash away with water. As a result, plants can suffer from nutrient shortages, which stunt their growth and reduce crop yields. The acidic soil also releases aluminum from minerals, which can be toxic to plant roots. This toxicity damages roots and makes it harder for plants to absorb nutrients. You might notice crops with yellowing leaves, dead patches, or wilting. Some plants even develop weak stems or leaves that are more prone to disease because their protective surfaces get damaged by the acids. Crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans are especially sensitive to these changes. When it comes to infrastructure, acid deposition can be just as damaging. Buildings made of limestone or marble, which contain calcium carbonate, are especially vulnerable. The acids in rain dissolve the calcium carbonate, causing the surfaces to erode over time. You might see statues or monuments with peeling or crumbling surfaces. Metal structures such as bridges, railings, and even cars can suffer from faster rusting because the acids accelerate corrosion. This not only makes structures look old and worn but also weakens their strength. Repairing or replacing damaged parts can cost a lot of money and take years. For example, a stone monument might lose its fine carvings or inscriptions after years of acid rain exposure. Metal bridges might need frequent repainting and rust removal to stay safe for use. Overall, acid deposition causes real harm to both our food sources and our buildings. It strips away vital nutrients from the soil, making it harder for crops to grow healthy and strong. At the same time, it eats away at the materials that hold our cities and landmarks together. This shows how important it is to control air pollution and reduce emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Protecting our environment means protecting our food supply and our shared history.